Westermans here with a Reisen saw which has just arrived. It's a 620 DGSA automatic bandsaw. Power supply is 400 volts. Machine was being used possibly about 2 weeks ago. It has hydraulic clamping and hydraulic fall. This machine will be sold as is or serviced to order. You also have the ability to control the angle of the mitre, which is obviously with a digital display. Up on the start, then obviously variable speed for the fall. Clamping. More details of this can be found on Westermans' website, westermans.com. There will also be photographs there and specifications and other machine tools and welding equipment which we can supply. The machine can be shipped worldwide if required, and possibly this one might have a couple of blades with it, but that's to be confirmed. There is a table for loading and unloading that comes with this machine. That can be seen on the photographs. That's a roller bed. And the machine, as you can see, is actually on the angle. Now hopefully it should be displaying. Not at present. -345. Angle 8.3. So as you can see, the machine is actually functioning as it should do. Thank you for looking.